let's put the spotlight on what is essentially transpiring as far as high drama in the parliament is concerned. In fact, it did happen today as the government defended Operation Sindoor, calling it a calculated and successful counter to the Pahalgam attack. But the opposition hit back, questioning the timing of the ceasefire and demanding accountability from intelligence lapses to the Prime Minister's silence. Now, from Amit Shah's strong rebuttal to Priyanka Gandhi and Akhilesh Yadav leading a sharp opposition counter, the debate saw fiery exchanges across party lines. We are expecting, remember, Prime Minister Narendra Modi to address the House in a while. But first, let's listen in to what was said in the Parliament today.
ये जो सुलेमान है, ए श्रेणी का लश्कर तोयबा का कमांडर था पहलगाम हमले में और गगनगिर आतंकी हमले में वो लिप्त था। इसके ढेर सारे सबूत हमारी एजेंसियों के पास है। अफगान ए श्रेणी का लश्कर तैयबा का आतंकवादी था और जिब्रान भी ए ग्रेड आतंकवादी था। और माननीय अध्यक्ष जी, मैं सदन को और सदन के माध्यम से पूरे देश को बताना चाहता हूं, जिन्होंने बैसरन घाटी में हमारे प्रवासियों को, नागरिकों को मारा था, ये तीनों आतंकवादी ये थे और तीनों मारे गए।
Now listen to this quote very carefully. Captain Shiv Kumar, Defense Attaché, Indonesia. He says, I may not agree with him that India lost so many aircraft, but I do agree that we did lose some aircraft. And that happened only because, of the constraint given by the political leadership to not attack the military establishment and their air defense. Meaning you went into Pakistan, you attacked Pakistan, and you told our pilots, do not attack their air defense system. Meaning you told our pilots, go and attack and face the air defense system of Pakistan. Meaning you tied their hands behind their back. Right? And the defense minister has said this in Parliament House itself, that we told the Pakistanis that we are not going to attack their infrastructure. इन्होंने बोला पब्लिकली हाउस में कि भैया हम आपके जो मिलिट्री इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर है, आपके एयर डिफेंस सिस्टम को हम नहीं अटैक करेंगे, और दूसरे साइड से आप हमारे पायलट भेज रहे हो, क्या होगा? हवाई जहाज गिरेंगे।
All right, we'll of course closely track what is happening in the parliament. We just heard what Rahul Gandhi had to say, and of course we'll also put into perspective when the minister speaks. But for the moment, we leave it at that.